Care India is a B2B and B2C e-commerce platform for water purifier and its products. It offers complete water purifier services for domestic, commercial and industrial purposes. The organization started its journey in 2003, and since then, Care India has been the one-stop solution for all kinds of water purifier related issues. The company is providing excellent and reliable water purifier services across the nation for more than a decade. As an organization, Care India always puts standards, ethics and transparency at the top. And this agenda helped the organization to win customers' trust across the nation. Recently, the Care India has been awarded by Customer Excellence Award, which is for providing excellent services to the customer at their doorstep. Our organization focuses on few main points, which are comparing. We have listed thousands of water purifier products on our official website and compared them together so that our customers can buy the best product. We also provide expert advice to the customers for purchasing the best water purifier and its products. Doorstep water purifier services. We offer various services like installation, repair, routine service, AMC and uninstallation of water purifier and water purifier related systems for domestic, commercial and industrial purposes. Spare part distribution. Our company provides spare parts for all brands and types of water purifier to the customer, service provider and retailers. This is what we do. And now talking about our strength, we can reach everyone's doorstep in India. Yes, Care India is currently offering the best quality water purifier services at almost all pin codes in India. And with having more than 7,000 business partners, the organization has served more than 2 million customers across the nation. So our platform is best for both water purifier service providers and service seekers.